So hey guys, this is Akash Nagpure. Today we are going to talking about how to tell your identities, nature, and you can say how to use aim. If any situation you have a feeling bored, in this type of situation you use I am feeling bored. And other situation, if you have to know about her, this type of situation you use I am excited. So that type of situation we will use am. Let's understand with the another example.
You can say in front of me there are so many examples available, just like I am happy, I am worried, I am bored, I am satisfied, I am surprised, I am satisfied, I am surprised, I am sick, I am sleepy, I am confused, I am angry, I am confused, I am careful, I am cautious. So in this type of situation you use am, just like I am tired, I am cautious, I am proud, I am jealous. So this type of use am. And you can say I am ready, I am frustrated, I am proud, I am alone, I am nervous, I am ashamed, I am intelligent, I am confident, I am quick, I am slow, I am clever, I am brave, I am honest, I am poor.